Welcome. This is White Past Question, Literature in English, 2018. Question number 13 says the poem is about a or a dash. Then we are to use this poem to answer the question number 13 to number 15. Says, here she lies, a pretty bond, lately made of flesh and blood, who as soon fall fast at sleep, as her little eyes did peep. Give her strolling, but not stare, the earth that lightly covers her. So the poem is about a little child, which is number C, because the characters in the poem, pretty bond, flesh and blood, fast at sleep, little eyes did peep, but not stare, lightly covers air, signify a child that cannot help herself. So it simply means a little child born into the mundane. So thank you. God bless you.